Hello, my name is Brenda Tolbert. As I watched the video differentiating with learning menus, I saw how the teacher was able to assess for the ultimate goal of students reading, writing, thinking, and speaking critically about global topics by her method of working on their literacy skills using differentiated instruction to encompass the learning skills of each student. The students are given many options and choices for their topics, along with being able to work at their own pace. The teacher's lessons show how she is preparing her students for multiple assessment types because the students are working on different literacy skills for specific activities. They are given a grade for each section which they must complete before moving on. Each section gives the students an understanding of the content. She assesses the students through quizzes, which shows their understanding of the content and lesson. The learning menu the teacher uses allows the students to paraphrase and use their own words, whether the information is relevant or irrelevant. This also helps the teacher to assess their understanding of the content. They make their own choices, but she guides and assists them. Student choice played a part in the teacher's differentiated instruction because the teacher gave the students many choices and levels of instructions, which encompass the different skill levels that allow them to work at their own pace, making their own choices of what they wanted to work on, which also was enhancing the student's skill to be responsible for their own learning. One idea from the lesson on learning menus that I would use to modify my own instruction would be to encourage my students to draw and use more graphics with their projects. They could be more understandable for their classmates